Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Yamaha Stratoliner. This big bore 1900cc V-twin luxury cruiser is loaded with extra features. Comes standard with a windshield, side cases, passenger backrest, beautiful chrome rims, but this one has engine guard, running lights, extender on the windscreen, floorboards, passenger floorboards, rider backrest, brand new tires, brand new brakes, fresh oil change. This bike is in beautiful condition. Only 29,000 miles on this gorgeous Yamaha Stratoliner 1900. Price to sell quickly at just $59.90. Beautiful dark red metallic. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yes, got a performance Yamaha. Sounds beautiful. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.